Today we are going to learn about the configuration of the purchasing document. So till whatever the purchasing document we have covered, anybody can tell me which purchasing document currently or still we have covered? Answer me first. So what are the transactions we have seen for the purchasing? No one can answer. For purchasing, which transactions we are going and learn? Creation of the purchase requisition, purchase order, request for quotation, outline agreement. That all are the purchasing document. Na? You getting or not? My screen is visible.
Yeah, yes, Mayur.
Okay. So under purchasing, what we have seen till we have gone through the purchase order. Okay. Purchase requisition, then outline agreement. We have seen under that we have seen the contract, scheduling agreement. Okay. So then we have seen the yesterday RFQs. So these are nothing but the purchasing document. Okay. So you can clear this. These are the purchasing document: purchase order, purchase requisition, outline agreement, request for quotation, service. Okay. So currently we have completed this all data along with the master data also. Okay. Info record, source list, quota arrangement is balanced. So I will take after this quota arrangement. Okay. So like you can define, if someone asks to you what are the purchasing document, you can tell them purchase requisition, purchase order, outline agreement, request for quotation. Okay. These are the purchasing documents which we are giving to the vendor, supplier for our daily runtime transactions, all the things there. Okay. So for the configuration of the purchase order, purchase requisition, we have not set any document type. Okay. So what's the standard document type for the purchase requisition? Whenever we are creating a purchase requisition, so which document type we are selecting? We are selecting something there. Remember? Whenever you can go to the screen of the purchase requisition, here is a document type. Okay. NB purchase requisition standard. Okay. So this is the document type here. Okay. So when you can select this NB, this is a standard document type for purchase requisition. Okay. So other than this NB, all are the customized document type for the purchase requisition. Here is the list. Someone has created the EC, ENBA, ENBB, FO, okay, IN, ENB. But whenever we are creating the purchase requisition, we need to select first of all the document type here. So this is automatically coming here. Why? Because this is the standard one here. Okay. This is come NB. If you want to change your document type, you can create or customize your document type in SPRO. Then you can display your document type here. Okay. So that is nothing but the configuration of the purchasing document here. Okay. So today we are going to learn about how to customize in a background this document type, number range, field selections. Okay. in the purchase requisition, purchase order, RFQ. Yesterday we have seen, okay? You're getting, yesterday we have seen the document type for the creation of the request for quotation, contract, scheduling agreement. All these things we have already learned. But for the purchase order and purchase requisition, we have remaining. So today I am going to cover these all the things there, okay? So whenever we are customizing anything, so first of all, we need to create its a document type, okay? So whenever you are creating anything or running the transactions, totally it's depend on your document type which you are selecting here. So the number range, your field selection, okay? So all these things will be depend on your document type here, okay? So these are the four main configuration in a purchasing document. First one is a document type, number range, and field selection here. So nothing but is also called as a screen layout. So for the text, we are not going, but these three are important: document type, number range, and field selection. As per the business requirement, sometimes so business can tell us, so I don't require the standard one, I require the customized document type for the purchase requisition. So we need to configure in a background to customize the standard one into our as per our requirement or business requirement there, okay? So today we are going to learn how to configure these all the things in a background: document type, number range, and field selection for the purchase order and purchase requisition, and the mapping of the document type with each other, okay? So first of all, we can see the purchase requisition, okay? So in that we can see the what is the document type for the purchase requisition. So this is the path to define the document type for the purchase requisition here, okay? So SPRO, materials management, purchasing, okay? So if you can want to directly jump to the purchasing view of the SPRO, you can use the T code of a OLEME, okay? So I will show you in SAP. If you directly want to jump to the purchasing view for the configuration, just enter the T code OLEME, okay? It will come into the screen of the purchasing directly, okay? Or if I can follow the path, I can go to the path SPRO, okay? SAP reference IMG. Then here, go to the materials management. Then here is the option of the purchasing. Same screen will be open. By using the T code you can go, or by using or following the path also you can go. So first of all, we can see the purchase requisition, okay? So just select on a purchase requisition here. So here the same screen like the document type, number range, screen layout, all the things will be come here. First of all, we can create the customized document type here, okay? So just click on the define document types, okay? So what is the standard document type for the purchase requisition then? Right now I'll show you now. Answer me fast. NB, correct. So here is a NB. So description as a purchase requisition standard. So just select it, NB. It is same like configuration of the RFQ, okay? So the item intervals, number range internal, number range external, then field selection, okay? So these all things are same for the all the purchasing documents, okay? So this is the standard one. By using or by copying this, I can customize my purchase requisition document type here, okay? So just select this NB, okay? And just click on the copy, okay? So whatever the name you can enter here. So I will use the otherwise customized document type starting from the Z, N, P, and our plant is a TP10, so I can enter as a T for my reference here, okay? And I can change this description as per my requirement. So use purchase requisition standard TP10 here, okay? So I'm just selecting this and press enter. Okay, so all the entries will be copied here. So I have created ZNBT. So this is the my customized document type for the purchase. I can save this transaction. I can change this enterprise structure to the document type. So the description of the transport request should be changed here. For your requirement, you can change it. Okay. So I have selected or created this ZNBT by copying the NB there. Okay. So this I am saving. Okay. Once again, here is a number range. So how it will become? Before going to number range, I will just select customize the document type. Said NBT purchase for standard here. Okay, so after the creation of your customize the document type for the purchase requisition, so here is the option of the item category. So whenever you are creating the purchase requisition, okay, so you can need to allow the item category. So what is the item categories? I will show you. Okay, this is the here is the item category. Okay, so whenever I'm selecting the item category, so this multiple list will be come here like a standard, procurement, consignment, subcontracting, third party, stock transfer, and a service. So these are the item categories whenever we are creating any purchase requisition, purchase order. Okay. So in future, you get to know about this consignment, subcontracting, third party, and a stock transfer along with the service also. So currently we are only dealing with this standard one. Okay. So as per your requirement, you can select this list of the item category when you can customize your document type. So I can just go here, just select customize the document type, and here is the option of allowed item category. So just click on it. Okay. So all the standard item categories will be come here. So I require only these four ones: standard, consignment, subcontracting, and third party. What I can do, I can delete remaining tools. Okay. So as per your requirement, you can do it. Okay. So I'm entering all entries here. So these entries will be deleted and save these transactions once again. So whenever I am creating the purchase requisition by using this ZNBT, so only the four items category will be come there. So I will show you. Okay. So once again, go to the T code based on the purchase requisition. Okay. So select the document type. Okay. So this is my customized purchase requisition document type here. Okay. So this is come here right now as per my customization. So I'm selecting ZNBT. Okay. You're getting all of you clear till? Or any doubts? Everyone? So here, item category. Okay. Just select here. Only fours are coming here. Okay. You're getting the difference in a standard and customized one. Standard, consignment, subcontract, and third party. I have deleted the remaining tools. If I can, I want to add. So just go to the define document type. Okay. Then select your document. Load item category here. And if you want to add anything, click on the new entries here. Okay, so from the list, you can select it whatever you want, limit, consignment, take, stock transfer. Okay. So I want to add service here. Okay, so just select service and save this. Again, go to the end user screen and check the service is coming or not. I need to take back here. Service will be item category service will be added here. So just go and check Select your customized document type. Where it is? Okay, go to the item categories. Okay. So before service is not there, but I can go there and add the service. Okay. So like this, you can add your item category, whatever like that, as per your or business requirement there. Okay. So like this, I can customize my document type, then adding or deleting this item category. Okay. So right now we can arrange the number range. Okay. Just take back, here is the option of the define number range. Okay. So just we can check the intervals here. So this much of the intervals will be available here. Just go to the intervals. If you want to create a new one, okay, 7. Okay, so just click on new entries. Okay. 7, 8, 8. Okay, I'm adding here as a 0, 9, and the range will be 20,000 to 1. Okay. So this number range will be come here 0, 9 from 2 multiples 0 with the 2 1 triple 9. Okay, just save this number range. Okay, and the number range number will be here 0, 9. I can assign the 0, 9 to the my document type. Okay, so just click on the document type, enter in your number range, internal number range. So 0, 9 will be the my number range number. Just enter there and save. Okay, so I can right now create the one purchase requisition there with the customized document type. I have selected my customized document type here. Enter the material quantity. Okay, just check. No issues, and just save. Whatever the number range I have given, so it will be come to our purchase requisition number here. Okay, you're getting? All of you? Clear it? Or any doubts? Okay.
Yeah, getting my.
Okay. Like this, last one is a defined screen layout at a document level. So what is the standard field reference? Just go to the define document type. Okay. And here for NB, you can check it. Okay. For the purchase requisition, NBB is a standard field selection view. So where it will become under this define screen layout at a document level, it will be coming. Just select it and search for the NBB, which is one standard field selection key for the purchase requirement. Just select it, and here is option of the copy. Okay, so what I can do, I can name as a ZNBB, purchase requisition. PR PMB. Or TP. I'm just renaming. Okay, just enter. It will be shown as an entry will be already exist. What I can do, I can just ZNB T. I can just name it as ZNB PT. No issues. Just select it and save. So the customized field selection key will be created here. Okay, I can just copy this field selection key and paste it to my document. Just I will show you what is that field selection key. Okay, Whenever you are customizing anything, just copy from the standard one here. Okay, I can just change this NBB into the my customizable ZNBBT. Save this. Okay, so once again, I will jump into the screen of the purchase requisition. Just select the customized document type. Okay, so here, whenever I am creating purchase requisition here. Okay, so the things which are mandatory, some are the required entries, some are the optional entries. So if you want to fix this requisition as a required entry, right now this is the optional entry. Okay, so this is tracking number is also the optional entry here. Okay, so just check this. So in this right now, these are both are the optional entries. Okay, so, but some business want I want this as a required entry. So who is requiring this material? I want the name of that person here as a required entry. So how I can do? Anybody can tell me how can I do this in this screen in the document? Go to your customize the field selection here. Okay, how I can do then? Nandini, you can tell me.
Come again, Mayur.
So I want to do this field as a required entry. Okay, so requested by the requisitioner and this tracking number. Right now in this document type, this is the optional entry. Okay, so but business want this entry as a required entry or a mandatory. So how I can do with reference to my document type, because we have done already in a purchasing for required and all the things. In vendor master also we have done this all the these things with reference to your field selection key. Okay, so just select your field selection key. Okay, then go to the details view. So this is the your screen layout for the purchase requisition. Okay, so just select on the basic data. So all the things will be come here. So required entry, optional entry. So right now what I want to this requester requisitioner and the tracking number as a required entry. So how I can do? So just check here where that entries are there. Okay. So here, this requisitioner is a optional entry. I can just remove this tick and select this as a required entry. Okay. And where is the other one? Then you can give it. Okay, this is a tracking number here. Requirement tracking number. Okay. This tracking number also, I want to enter this as a required entry. I can just select this requirement tracking ID. Okay, and just take back and save this configuration. Okay, so I have assigned this field selection key to over my customized document type. So whenever I'm trying to create the purchase requisition with reference to that customized document type. Okay, so this is ZNBT. I am trying to create a purchase requisition. Okay, I'm just entering the these things. Whenever I'm reading. Okay, so if I'm going to check this, system will be giving me the error. So enter the requisitioner and enter the tracking number also, because I have these things will be required entry. So I can enter the name here as a requisitioner and tracking ID as a whatever you can enter it. This is my tracking ID. So after entering these details only, the system will be allowed to save the purchase requisition. If I not entering these things, okay, the system will be not allow me to to save this purchase request. If I am removing this and check, system will be giving me the error. Enter the tracking number. Why this is showing? Because in my field selection key, I have set these things as a required entry there. Okay, so just save this. Okay, so after saving this, no message to during check, and whatever the number is we have assigned to our purchase requisition, so it will be come here as per our number range. Okay, all of you are getting this?
Yes, Mayur.
Yes. Okay, then Kirtan, Rashikar, Manjushri, you're getting?
Yeah, good.
Okay. Rashikar, you? And then you're getting this regarding the number range and other things.
Yeah, Mayur.
Okay. After creating the document type, okay, then we have the option of this link purchase requisition document type. Okay, so this is our customized document type here. If I'm selecting this link purchase requisition, this is nothing but the mapping of your document type with your RFQs and all the things here. Okay, so if I can create all these entries, so I will show you which type of the error will be coming. I can select all the things. Okay, and delete entries and save this. Okay, so recently I have created the purchase requisition, and with that reference to the purchase requisition, okay, I want to create the RFQ. Okay, I can just select the recently created purchase requisition. Okay, and if right now I'm trying to create the purchase requisition. Okay, request for purchase, sorry, with reference to the reference of the purchase requisition. Okay, so enter the mandatory things here. Okay, and reference to the purchase requisition. Copy your purchase requisition number and try to execute. So what error system is showing, the customized document type said NBT is not allowed with the document type AN. What is this? So whenever I am creating the customized document type, there is a need to link with this customized document type with the this document type. This is nothing but the mapping of the purchasing document. Okay, so if I want to do this linkage of the standard document type, so just select here your customized document type, and here is the option of the link purchase requisition to the document type. So what error is showing here? So this requisition document type will be not linked with the AN document type. AN is a standard document type for the request for quotation. Okay, so just go once again. I will show you. Okay, just select your customized document type. Okay, then click on the link purchase requisition. Just click on it and click on the new entries. And here is a document type. Which document I need to enter here? AN. AN is for the request for person. This much of the document type will be available here. Okay. So currently I just selecting the AN for the item category standard one. Okay, just enter it. It will become like this and save this. Okay. So data was saved. And right now try to create the RFQ with reference to the purchase requisition, enter all the required things, and click on the purchase requisition. Right now, system will be accepting because I have linked the document type of the purchase requisition to the request for quotation. Okay, you're getting this topic, mapping of the purchasing document with each other. So while creating a purchase order also, I will show you once again. Okay. So like this, we have completed the document type for the purchase requisition, number range, and field selection for the purchase requisition. Okay, so right now we can try for the purchase order sale. So anybody can tell me what's the standard document type for the purchase order? Whenever you are creating any purchase order, so which document type you are selecting there? Just look at the screen. I have mentioned here NB. NB is the standard document type for the purchase order. Okay. So whatever the number range, field selection, and field, all the things which is come with reference to only your document type as a NB. So whenever you're creating a purchase order, okay, the screen of the purchase order will be come here. So by default, it will become as a NB. This is the standard document type. Okay. So other than NB, all are the customized purchase order document type here. Okay. So by default, it will be coming as a NB standard purchase order. Okay. So by copying this, we can create our customized purchase order document type here. Okay. So some business I want customized document type for the purchase order. So as per the business requirement, we can change it out. So if I am using the NB and creating the purchase order, so the number range will be different. And if I am selecting the standard one and arrange the any number range, then the number range will be different. I am just creating the purchase order with reference to the standard one. Okay, just check it and save. So for this, the number range will be assigned for the 4, 5. Like this number range will be coming here for the standard document type. Okay. So right now we can customize that purchase order document type. So this in same path, or you can just follow the path like SPR or IMG. Under that materials management, purchasing, and here is the option of the purchase order. Like that same, you can customize the purchase order document type. So where is the NB? Okay, so this is the NB. Just select it, copy, and whatever the name you want to give it, give it. I'm giving you the ZNB. ZNB only I'm giving here. Okay, the standard PO for TP. Okay. So as per your requirement, you can give the description. I am just giving as a standard document type for the TP10. Okay. So I have just saved this configuration. Okay. Like that same here is a interval, number range. Okay. The field selection keys. Okay. So it will be come here. So I need to change this number range. Just take back. Okay. So here is the option of the number range. Go to the intervals. Okay. So whatever the number range you want, You can create it here, okay? Last is a 87, so I'm creating new one here and enter the number range number as per your requirement. I'm giving as a QM, giving the number as a starting from double eight, in as a double eight. Enter it. So the number range which I have created, QM will be created here, okay? QM. This is the number range which is I have entered here. Just save. Why my number range will be accepting? Because this is the new system, okay? So whatever I am creating, there is a very little data here. So just because of that, the system will be accepting the number range, okay? So whenever in previous sessions when we are creating the number range for the material master, vendor master, so there is a lots of the number range will be there. So right now the system will be reset. So the very less data will be created right now. So just because of that reason, system will be accepting the number range whatever I have creating here, okay? So right now I'm just copy this number range number and paste into the my customized document type of the purchase order. KDNB I have created, okay? I can change this as a QM, okay? And just once again I'm going to create a purchase order. The number range whatever I am giving, okay? So right now the customized document will be come here. ZNB standard purchase order for the TP10 will be coming here. So select the vendor, enter all the required data. Okay. Material, your quantity, price, plant, and storage level. No issues. Just check it and save the purchase order here. Okay. So number range which is I have given here. So the purchase order will be coming with that number range only. Okay. You're getting this? How I can customize the number range and assign to my document type here. So whatever you are going to do, it totally depends on your document type here. Okay. So like this, you can customize your purchase order document type also here. Okay. The same like that, here is the item category also available. So these are the by default for the standard one here. Okay. So standard, limit, consignment, subcontracting, third party. Okay. So if whatever you want, you can keep it, and whatever you don't require, so you can delete it. Okay. In my standard one, so what are the document types will be here? I mean, select document type and allow item category. So this much of the list will be coming here. I don't require this text and limit also. So what I can do, I can just delete it and just save this. So whenever I'm creating the purchase order, so that will be not coming into the screen of the purchase order. Okay, so only these are the coming. If I want to add here, click on the new entries and enter whatever you require here. Okay, this is nothing about the number range and document type for the purchase order. So last topic is field selection in the purchase order. So standard field selection key for the purchase order is a NBF. Okay, I have mentioned the document type. Okay, so NBF is a standard field selection for the purchase order. Okay, so when you are going to the screen, actual SAP, is a document type, standard purchase order. For standard purchase order, NBF will be standard field selection key for the document type NB. So I can just go to the define screen layout for document level for the purchase order and click on the position and select or search for the NBF. This is a standard field selection key. Just enter it and try to create your customized one. Just copy and enter NBF. Purchase order PO field selection for PP. So whatever you want, you can enter it here. Okay. So the entry will be already exist. So ZNB of I can enter there. Right now, this will be saved. I can just copy this selection key, okay, and enter into my document type. Okay. This is my document type customized for the purchase order. I can just put it here, ZNB EFT, and save this. So whatever I am doing the changes in this field selection, it will be applicable for my customized document type only. Okay, so it will not applicable for the standard one. For that reason, whenever you are creating any data, you can customize it and use for it, your reference. Okay, you're getting in. So I can just create the purchase order with ZNB. Okay, with the vendor. Okay. Okay, this is the screen of the customized document type for ZNB. So in that, I want to. Okay, so right now, this latest GR date will be optional entry here. Okay, so the some business want required this entry as a required. Without entering this, so the purchase order will be not get to the sale. So what is the latest GR date? So the in my business scenario actually, so they can put the date before this date, so the vendor can give the material, and after that this data, if vendor can supply the material, so the system will be not accepting the that material. Okay, so that is nothing but called as the latest GR date. Okay, so whenever I'm working in a Wipro, so we can put this as a 6 month later date. Okay, so from the PO creation, I can enter this date as a 6 months later. So it will be this PO will be valid for the 6 months. So after the 6 months, this purchase order will be expired. So we are not accepting the material after the 6 months with reference to this purchase order. So right now I want to this field as a required entry. So how I can do then? So Kirtan, can you tell me? So how I can set this field as a required entry right now? Can you guide me?
Like a field selection.
Correct. So where I should go? So I can go to the
Define,
screen layout. Okay. Then what I can search here?
our field selection key.
Okay. So customize field selection view. Correct. Okay. So this is my customized field selection view. Correct. Then I can go to the details view. So here I can search that things here. Okay. So just click on it, the field selection, and what I want to fix this latest GR date. Okay, so just search for the GR date here. Okay, so here it is here latest GR date. No. No. This GR date is not coming here. Okay. So you can search for it. Whatever the things you can require. Here is also not. Delivery date. This is also not. Here this. here. It is a latest GR date as a optional entry. So I can just select this as a required entry. Okay. So where it will be coming? It will be coming under the delivery monitoring. Okay. Why I am getting this? Because this is coming under the delivery. So I know it. This is coming under the delivery tab only. So okay. I can just select this as a required entry, take back and save this configuration. So whatever I have done the changes, so whenever I am creating the purchase order, that will be applicable for my document type. Okay, enter the required things. All of you are getting this about the field selection in a purchase order, purchase requisition, or any doubts? You can ask me also. Okay. So here, I'm checking the purchase order. So the system will be giving me the error. Purchase order still contains faulty items. So what the error? Enter the latest GR date. Where it will be coming? It will be coming under the delivery tab. I can enter the delivery date as a 0.05. Okay. So after entering it, if I can check the purchase order, there will be the no any errors. So like this, whatever the things you can do the mandatory, all the things will be done by your document type with the field selection key only there. Okay. So like this, if I'm trying to save this purchase order, okay, save this. Like this, the number range of what which is I have set, it will be coming here. Okay. So any doubt in this? Number range, document type, pin layout.
Mayur, I have one question.
Yeah.
In number range.
Okay.
So please click on number range.
Okay.
What is the function of ext?
This is the external number range. Okay, so I will show you. Okay.
So I can use this number range internal as well as
External, both you can use. So whenever you can use the external number range, so you can give it from the this number as per your requirement, whatever you want. So I will show you one minute in my document type. Okay, for NB, the 41 will be the external number range. Okay, so whenever the creating the purchase order, so the external number range will be also coming there as per the, but most of the times for the purchase order we can use the internal number range only. So it will be for the auditing purpose, it will be very useful. So don't go for the external number range for the purchase order there. Okay, for material and all things it will be okay, but for the purchase order and purchase requisition you can use internal number range there. Okay, it will be option for you to use the external number range also, but preferable most of the time will be use the internal number range only. Okay, so any doubt other than this? Okay, one thing I will show you. So all of you are clear till Nandini, Rashekar, Anandu, Manjushri.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Kirtan, you have any doubts? Kirtan, my voice is coming to you.
Yes, yes, sir.
You clear?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So the last one is the document type mapping there.
And how to deactivate the external number range in PO?
So just click on that. Okay. So here, just don't put the extra number range here. So where is my ZNB? So if I am not entering the ZNB, don't put anything here. I'm trying to show. So there is no extra number range before this my standard or customized document type here. Okay. So whenever I'm creating the purchase order, so it will pick only the internal number range. Okay, so
Okay.
show you. Link the purchase requisition. Okay, so right now this much of the all the standard data will be coming here. Okay, so I just want to delete all this data by selecting all and deleting this. Okay, so what is the document type mapping? I will show you. For that reason, I am just deleting this. Okay, so whenever I am creating the purchase requisition here. Okay, so the mapping of the purchasing document. So when we can create the purchase order with reference to PR with the customer's document type. First of all, we need to map the document type with each other. Okay, so if the document type is not mapped, then the system will be giving the error. So the system will be not allowed to create the that document there. Okay, so for that I will show you how this the mapping of the document type will be done in the SAP. So just I'm creating the purchase requisition. Okay, with reference to the my customized the document type. My customized purchase requisition document type is a ZNBT. Okay, so I'm just entering this material quantity, plant, location, requisition, number as a sim. Okay, just take it and save this. Okay, and just copy this purchase requisition and try to create the purchase order with the customized document type. So ZNB is my customized document type. Select the vendor. Okay, and enter the requisition number into the screen of the purchase requisition. Press enter. It will fetch all the data. Okay, so enter the latest GR date. Okay, so here system will be giving me the error. So customized document type ZNB is not assigned with the purchase order ZNB. Okay, you're getting? So I need to link this document type with purchase order, requisition with the purchase order. So how I can do this? So just go to the customization screen. Under the purchase order, I need to link the purchase order, okay, with the purchase requisition. So define document type. Select your customized document type, ZNB, and here is a option of the link the purchase requisition. Okay, so click on it, and here because I am entering deleting all the entries, so just because of here is a no entry, just click on the new entries and which document type I want to link with this ZNBT with the ZNB. ZNBT I want to enter here. ZNBT. Just enter it, and the standard purchase requisition will be linked with the that categories. So just save this. Okay, and again try to create the purchase order with the customized document type. ZNB. Right now check. Okay, user is already processing. Okay, so right now there is no error because I have linked the customized document type with the PR with the PO. This is nothing but the mapping of the purchase order with the purchase requisition document type. So getting this, all of you, how to map like this same. You can map purchase requisition with the RFQs, then contracts, same like this. You can also map your document type with the purchase requisition with the RFQ, contract, scheduling agreement. Okay. No error in a system. Just save this purchase order. So like this, the purchase order number will be created in the EP10 for the number range which we have created here. Okay. So that's it for the today's. Any doubts? So you can ask me. So any doubts? Nandan, you are getting